What's up, royals? I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be a $500 makeup haul from Sephora and MAC. I've never ever spent this much money on makeup at one time, so I was kind of like, what are you doing, girl? I don't even use makeup that much, but I'm trying to start getting into it, so I decided to go ahead and do it. If you are new to my channel, I am Princess Nitra. I make all types of videos, and if you like my content, please consider subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, you already know the drill. What's up, royals? Welcome back. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. We're gonna start off with Sephora. I got a few things from there. The first thing that I was looking for was a new brush set, so I went ahead with this one. This is the Luxe 5 synthetic brushes, soft as cashmere. They're really soft on the face, and yeah, I really like this one. I've had Sephora brushes before, so I'm hoping that this one will do me just as good as the last. So that is that. Let's see what else we got in here. I kind of forgot. Okay, I got a Beauty Blender Pro. I needed another one of those. The other one that I had was, I think it was like the knockoff brand from Walgreens. So this is the real one, so I'm excited to use that. Let's see. What else did I get? I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the DipBrow Pomade. And yeah, I just wanted to try a different type of brow product for my brows because I usually use powder, so I just decided to try something different. Hopefully it works out good. This is in the color medium brown. Okay, and then I went and got some Fenty stuff because I haven't tried any of her products. I know I'm late, but you know your girl, a little on the cheap side, but Fenty is reasonably priced, so I went ahead and got Stalkr Instant Warmth Bronzer. It's just a bronzer. I love her packaging, it's really pretty, and this is in the shade Cocoa Naughty. So that's that. And then I got her lip gloss. This is the lip balm that everybody is raving about. This is in the shade, I guess it's Fenty Glow. And yeah, I really wanted this. I thought it was super cute, so I got that. And then I really needed a, kill me for this, but I've never used a primer, and I know this is terrible. This is the foundation, but I decided to go ahead and try the Milk Primer. I heard this one's really good, so we're gonna go ahead and try that. It's called Grip Primer, and yeah, hopefully that works out pretty well for me. All right, what else did I get from Sephora? Let's see. Okay, so I got another Fenty product. This is Pro Filtr. This is the it's just a setting powder, and this is in the color Honey. And yeah, a little setting powder. Yeah, I needed a setting powder for under my eyes, but I'm not sure if this is for under the eyes. We'll see. I might end up getting the Sacha Buttercup, ordering that online. I also got Nars. I've been hearing great reviews on this. Everybody's raving about this, so I went ahead and tried it. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and this is in the color Macao, M.A.C.A.O, medium dark 4. And yeah, so I got that. I'm excited to try that. What else did I get? I got some more powder. I've been going crazy with the powders, y'all. I'm just like, I need to start baking. So I tried the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Professional. That's nothing but Ultra HD. This is just the white powder, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't make my face too powdery. We'll take it easy on that, but I got that. I also went ahead and tried the Creaseless concealer from Tarte. Looks like that. Yeah, hopefully this will work pretty good. This is in the shade Tan Deep Neutral. So we tried that. And then what else from Sephora? I also got Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is this is brow powder. So I'm pretty comfortable with brow powder, so I just went ahead and got that because that's what I do my brows with on the daily. All right, let's go to MAC. So this is MAC. See what I got from there. What's in here? So first I wanted to try a new lip pencil. I usually go with the NYX lip pencils because they're cheap. But I was like, let me try a MAC lip pencil in the color Chestnut. Just something to go with all my lip glosses or whatever I want to do. So hopefully that'll be good. I wanted to try a couple primers. So I got 2 primers from MAC. This primer is MAC Prep Plus Prime Neutral Radiance. And this one just has a little tint to it. I don't know if you can see that, if it looks white, but it's a little yellow. And this one, I don't remember what she told me this one was for, but I was telling her that I needed something that was going to kind of calm down my big pores and everything, kind of blur those out. So she recommended this one. And then this is the same. This is MAC Prep Plus Prime Skin Base Visage. I don't know. So we're gonna try that one. This one is just white. It doesn't have a tint to it. And she told me to just mix them together and rub them in. So that's what we're gonna try. And then I also needed in dire need of a setting spray. So I got this one from MAC. This one is Prep Plus Prime Fix Matte. So this will just mattify your face if you get super oily or whatever. I get super oily in the summer, so we're gonna try that out and see how it does. And hopefully it works out for me. So I'm super excited to try that. But that is all I have for you guys today. That was just a quick haul. It was $500, but it was super quick. As you can see, makeup these days is just like out the roof expensive, but I did get the essential things that I need to beat this face. So if you're interested in seeing me try out these products, just let me know in the description box down below or in the comment box down below. Let me know if y'all would like to see that video. And yeah, I appreciate you coming to my channel and checking me out. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, Royals. Bye.